Pull.
Pull.
Pull the chair closer.
Pull the chair closer.
Put.
Put.
I put the book on the table.
I put the book on the table.
Smile.
Smile.
She smiles at her friend.
She smiles at her friend.
Speak.
Speak.
I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
Stay.
Stay.
We stay at home on Sundays.
We stay at home on Sundays.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop the car, please.
Stop the car, please.
Teach.
Teach.
My mom teaches me math.
My mom teaches me math.
Think.
Think.
I think about my homework.
I think about my homework.
Touch.
Touch.
Do not touch the flowers.
Do not touch the flowers.
Wash.
Wash.
I wash my hands before eating.
I wash my hands before eating. Pull. Put. Smile. Speak. Stay. Stop. Teach. Think. Touch. Wash.